Hey, it's Bruce, the Blind Man Handyman, and I wanted to show you a little tip on using featherboards. So I have this featherboard set up on my sliding table. So right now, so you want to make sure your featherboard, see where your blade is? You want the pressure to come off. If you had it here, when your wood pushed through, it would jam your piece, your loose piece, right into the blade. So you have to pull this back a bit, and so the pressure's gonna come off right there. So because I have it on the sliding table, I can adjust it. So this is the featherboard, and then I'm ready to fire that, Nathan?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna fire this up, blades away, and we're gonna rip another board. Let me show how this featherboard's working. Here, we're torching the featherboard and pushing it against the fence. I can see over here because the blade around here somewhere. I'm just gonna guide it here. I don't want to change anything. I'm just supporting the weight. Walking backwards and trying to figure out how to get the steps with it. So you hear he's cutting evenly. Just the constant pressure. It's gonna matter a little bit more now in a minute. And as we get farther, I'm gonna get you some of this weight. I'm not trying to manipulate it too much because I have the mechanical advantage here. Okay. Well, there we go. That's using the featherboard and keeps it nice. Otherwise you'd be jumping all over the place. So that keeps it tight against the fence. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you like that tip. Hope it works for you.